Hey guys, it's your girl Shelby from Shelby Fine Cuisine. Today I'm going to show you guys how I make my short ribs with fried potatoes, okay? Let me show you guys what I have. Over here I have my ribs already cleaned up, okay? Well marinated for an hour, okay? And also I have my potatoes already cut up, okay? Now let's start cooking. I'm going to do my short ribs in the oven, guys. Okay, it's going to be fast and easy. Okay, now what I'm going to do, let me start cooking my ribs. I'm using my hand, guys, because it's taking too long. Okay, don't worry, my hand's already cleaned up. Okay. Alright, I'm adding my thyme. Okay guys, before you do your ribs, guys, you always have to boil them, because you know what? You can get all your seasoning, and then before you put it in the oven, whatever you're gonna do with them, so they can cook, and with the season, whatever marinade you use can go through the meat, okay? Alright, I'm almost there. Okay, now let me add my marinade. Okay guys, what I'm going to do, I'm going to just wash my hand real quick. Okay, and this marinade, guys, I'm gonna let my meat cook with it. I'm not going to add no water, okay? Let me put the lid on. Okay, now what I'm going to do, guys, oh, I forgot. This is my seasoning I made, guys, with garlic powder, onion powder, and pepper flakes, parsley, meat tenderizer, okay, for my fries. My potatoes, okay? And when we come back, we're gonna start with our fries, okay? Come back. Okay, guys, now it's time to check on our meat, okay? Now let's come over here. Okay. See that, guys? Wow, it's beautiful. Okay, so I'm going to give it like 10 more minutes, and when we come back, we'll start with our potatoes, okay? Come back. Okay, guys, now it's time to put our meat on the oven, okay? The ribs are ready. All right. Now what I'm doing, guys, I'm using that pizza tray because I need some space for my ribs to cook, okay? And I'm not gonna put them for too long in the oven. I'm only gonna just leave them in the oven for 45 minutes, okay? Okay. Let me just do that. Okay. Let me just make it faster. Let me use my fork. Okay guys, after that I'm going to start with my potatoes, okay? You have to be creative, guys, when you're in the kitchen, okay? So, all right, now I'm going to put them in the oven since they already cooked for 45 minutes, okay? When we come back, we'll start with our potatoes, okay? Come back. Okay guys, now let's start with our potatoes, okay? Let me show you guys. All right. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put them in the hot grease, okay? Okay, I'm going to let them cook, guys. When we come back, we'll check on them, okay? Okay, guys, now it's time to get our potatoes out, okay? You see that? They look very nice, golden brown, okay? Okay. You see that, guys? Very nice, okay? Now let's finish the rest. Okay, I'm going to let them cook, guys. When we come back, we'll fix up we'll check on the ribs, and then when we come back, we'll finish up everything. Okay, come back. Okay, guys, now my potatoes are ready. Now let me show you guys what I'm doing. Okay, here I'm going to start putting my seasoning. Okay, this is the one that I prepared this morning. Okay, with garlic, as I said before, garlic powder, onion powder, guys, and pepper flakes and parsley. Okay, all right, if you want to make your own mixture. Okay, what I'm going to do now, I'm just gonna shake it up. Okay, let me put some more. Okay, a little bit more. All right, guys, it's very easy. Whenever you guys want to give it a shot, just try it. Okay, all right, that's it. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm just gonna put that aside, and then when we come back, we'll check on ribs. Okay, come back. Okay, guys, everything is ready. Okay, now let me show you what I started. Okay, here my plate already fixed. Okay, you see that? All right, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just put a little parsley next to my ribs. Okay, and with my ketchup and mustard. Okay, there you go, you have it, guys. All right, very simple and very easy. Okay, all right, if you guys want to give it a try, go ahead, give it a try. It's very good. Okay, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and click on the like button. Okay, having a wonderful day. Enjoy. Bye.